Alright, everybody, welcome to the People's Channel, Mr. Community, where we go around collecting cans, paying the homeless to collect cans, which we then take to the recycle center and pump that money right back into the community. We also put money to the side so we can purchase some franchises so we can put the homeless to work. I'm gonna have to get these guys a recycle bin for real. All right, in the news coming to us from Local 12 right here in Cincinnati, father accused of killing his 3 sons seek to have the confession thrown out. He also shot them.